So, you want to drop the fat, but you don't have any idea where to start. Little exercise I want you guys to do today, one I find is really beneficial, because the majority of people look towards the future in the sense of, okay, I want to lose the fat, what have I got to do? So I know, as mentioned, I've got to move more. I know I've got to eat better, so how do I begin that? So they then start looking at diets, they then start looking at maybe personal trainers, they start looking at activity-based things, they start looking at gym memberships, etc, etc, etc. But here's why that way of thinking is kind of nonsensical, because let's take things back a second. You are 40 pounds overweight. You're way heavier than you should be. You need to look here, back to the past. What's got you to the point where you're 40 pounds overweight? What's got you to the point where you need to look at the diets and look at the personal trainers and all these things? Because the problem is, if you focus all your attention in this direction, what you need to do, then you'll do it. You know, you're probably motivated, you'll stick to the diet, you'll stick to the training program, etc, 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 you'll see great results. But karma comes back around, and what will happen is you will eventually find yourself right back here again because you didn't fix the reasons that got you to this point in the first place. You didn't recognise, why did I put 40 pounds on in the first place? All you focused on was, how do I get the 40 pounds off? So if you want to achieve truly sustainable fat loss, my best advice to you is don't look to the future. Don't look at what you're going to do, not yet. Get a pen and paper out, make a list and focus on, okay, what are the habits I've got? What are the routines I've got? What are the behaviours I've got that have led me to the point where I've put on 40 pounds? More than I should have done. Once you've assessed those, you can then go, right, okay, habit number 1, too many takeaways. Okay, we'll reduce the takeaways. Okay, habit number 2, got into a relationship, got comfortable. Okay, discuss with partner, does partner want to lose weight? Fantastic, partner wants to lose weight, brilliant, we'll do this together. Habit number 3, used to go to gym, got a bit lazy, can't be bothered anymore because rather go home and watch Netflix and chill. So, what you then do is talk to your partner again and go, you know what, how about we do a little bit of exercise? Or even if they're not involved with you, even if they're not supportive with you, that's okay. Because you can then go, you know what, I will be home, but I'm going to dive into the gym first. Or I'm going to get up in the morning, I'm going to go first. Focus on all of these bad habits you've accrued. All of the picking in front of the TV in the evening, you know, the box of biscuits, etc. The walking into Tesco's and having the habit, or having the special treat Saturday where you go and get something. Having a takeaway every single Saturday night because, oh, it's Saturday night, it's movie night, X Factor's on, got to watch it with Ant and Dec. You get where I'm coming from. Focus on the habits that put the weight on in the first place, and you will see not only fat loss, but sustainable fat loss, because you'll recognise the reason and what went wrong in the first place, not just trying to paper over it with a diet. Thank you very much for watching, folks. I don't know why I'm jumping, but I thought it'd be funny for the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, do me a favour, just wander over, click this little share button down here, would be very much appreciated, because then all your friends see it, and they jump onto my page, and my reach goes through the roof, and everyone goes, you heard about that Moisey bloke in Bognor? Knows his shit. But anyway, folks, have yourselves a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next video. All the best.